Did it work?
Yes.
Does it work?
Well,
You got connection?
yeah. Yeah.
We have seen today Vertex Standard, renewal, the anniversary of the company, great new radio, competitive to ICOM actually, to be honest. Juma Communications, we got a Sarah here, ex-TETRA. That's what people say. If that's true, I don't know. Xterra is one of these companies who's really building up to a certain level of professionalism. We got Petersen as well. One of the steady companies is Swissphone. Good. So this is Angelo. He is the CEO of the company. He's doing a great job. He did win some good stuff in Belgium, right? No. He's going to do some good stuff in Belgium.
No, we do together good some. No, we won't.
Well, at least he's advertising in Astrid's magazine, so that means that's a target business for Swissphone. They're doing pages, but not only pages. They do a lot of other great stuff as well. So we're going to talk to Christoph Shaver. That's Christoph. About the solutions of Swissphone. Now, Swissphone is known as a manufacturer of paging solutions, but Christoph, there's much more to it, right?
Much more. So here we have the product named RX, RX in different ways. RX Command, RX Compact, RX Advanced. It's a kind of dispatching center for radio, telephone, to manage all things in the house, in the fire department, to open the doors, to switch on the light, to keep all things going on. And if some things are broken, you can get a service call. And that's all included in this little...
Everything is automated in the fire station?
Yes. And it doesn't matter if it is TETRA or analog, if it's DMR, whatever you have. If you have Samhoo or Motorola, TETRA, radios, everything.
You accept all technologies, no problem.
Yes. And the new solution we start now with that one, RX Compact, is totally IP, TCP IP connected.
But there's something else as well, right?
Yes.
Over there.
Of course. Okay. Maybe a little step to that one. We come back to the main business from Swissphone, PMRExpo paging. Okay. It's a PMRExpo paging for the table, but there's something more.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you have a 7-inch display. And if you look on the back side, you have connections to your printer. For example, here's the Samhoo, and then I can print the message here on paper. And it depends from the address, from the RIC, radio identification code, how often I can print it. 2 times, 5 times, 10 times. So for each car I can give it for the way.
So I just heard Motorola Solutions is having a pager. It's a new developed product.
Here we have the new Advisor TPG 2200 TETRA two-way pager.
Wait a minute, that's a whole
mouthful.
Yeah, exactly. Why so late coming onto the market with that pager? Because a lot of other companies have pagers for a longer time.
So I think it's all
Motorola
about,
could have developed that much earlier.
I think it's all about market need. I mean, we always work with and listen to our customers, and then they've come to us and said we really need a TETRA pager, so we've developed one for our customers.
Same with the small radio?
Exactly, the same kind of process as we went through with the ST7000 to develop a TETRA small radio.
Well, that's interesting because that seems to be that Motorola Solutions is getting more flexible with developing solutions than ever before. Is that something that I can...
I would agree with that statement, exactly, yeah.
How to move a tanker is not that difficult, actually, I would say. We will hear much more about the pager and about the success of the pager in the coming years. I just wondered who will be the first one. Until now, Samhoo had always a small booth somewhere at the beginning of the show, but not today anymore. The director of the company is David. Congratulations with your booth.
Thank you.
Yes, very great. But you are producing DMR Tier 3 radios, is it?
Yeah.
Is that because of the market need, or is that because of your specialism?
It's all because that in China that we provide the PDT, professional digital trunking, or maybe police digital trunking. This is based on the DMR technology. So we just start with the trunking radio at the beginning. Later that we just cut some features to fit the Tier 2. This is DMR Tier 2. So all of our products is first that is as the trunking radio, and then just the conventional radio.
For how long do you have the Tier 3 solutions available? For how many years?
For only DMR Tier 3 radio, that is around one year that we finish the development work.
Okay,
and we just begin the marketing in China and overseas.
How about the sales? Are you selling that internationally?
Yes, internationally. Yeah.
Okay.
We just found some local partners. This will be have some technical background. It's better to support or promote our trunking solution in the market.
The company is still looking for distributors, right? Dealers?
Yeah.
For Samhoo products here in Europe, especially in Germany or everywhere around Germany?
Everywhere, yeah. Everywhere.
Of course, everywhere. You know, you want to sell your products everywhere around the globe, so also in Germany and the rest of Europe. Okay, David, so how do you see the future of DMR? Everybody is converging into this LTE type of thing. Will you produce radios that can merge between DMR and LTE depending on the network availability?
This is a very good topic about the future that we will consider the narrowband and wideband professional communication. For the narrowband and wideband together, we also have such development work. Actually, that we have this radio. This radio is just the 3G plus analog radio, analog two-way radio. Yeah. Okay. And now that we have the module. This is a DMR trunking module and also can support Tier 2 and Tier 3. So later that we can integrate it together. This will be the 4G LTE plus DMR trunking and DMR Tier 2.
We're definitely going to hear much more about that company in the near future. More than 60 people on research and development. Did it work?
Yes.
Does it work? You got connection?
Yeah.
Next year we will be here again.
This show, Vertex, has a booth twice the size as last year. So that means things have definitely changed at the company. Well, one thing that has changed within the company is one face. Stuart Longley. Another face that has changed, well, not really changed.
The face hasn't changed, but the role.
The face hasn't changed, but Tim Clarke, the role has changed, definitely Tim. So, hi. So Vertex, so why that change, or why this? I'm confused.
Yeah, well, this year there's been a big refocusing on Vertex Standard. So Vertex got a long heritage. We're just about to celebrate our 60th anniversary with a big cake. This year, big focus, even from the very top of Motorola. So this year's been a big rebuilding year. We've hired a new sales team. We've got new product management, new marketing, and a whole new bunch of new products.
Right.
So just to summarise, really, it's just new focus, new people, new products, and the future really is bright going into 2017.
So that company's ready for the future, and we all know that the industry is completely changing at this moment in time. So the change for Vertex is probably right at the right moment.
Exactly, perfectly. Yep, well said.
That yellow radio, that's the latest and greatest of the Vertex standards. It is very easy to use, and it is extremely light. And that's something worth as well, right? That means you're not 60 years in the company, is it? No, it's only 6 years on No, so that's great, 60 years, right?
Great heritage.
We spoke to each other at IWC.
Yep.
Many changes are coming, you said. Well, that's definitely one of the change. New team, new focus.
A lot of new energy, a lot of new investment. So we're very excited.
A lot of new investment in products and
That is
solutions.
right. That's exactly right. So we saw this year we introduced all the new digital.
Yeah.
The VX261, EVX261, EVX-S24. So 2 new products in the market, and there's more to come next year. So we're really excited.
Oh, we're looking forward to see much more of that. We're going to probably see at IWC much more of that.
Please do. Yes, we'll be making some more announcements at IWC. So please join us there. Hope to have you there.
See you on IWC. The thing about Germany is actually that you make a lot of friends. Yesterday in the tram, we made some friends from Iran, and now there's another friend. She took my coat for a while, but she's pretty cold at the moment.
Not well prepared.
She was not well prepared. A great view actually. Take a look here.